Did you know a boxer once lost more money than entire countries make in a year? Evander Holyfield earned over $230 million in the ring, but filed for bankruptcy in 2012. His mansion in Atlanta had 109 rooms and cost $1 million every year just to maintain. He paid $500,000 monthly in child support to multiple women. His biggest payday was $58 million fighting Lennox Lewis. He made $35 million from the Mike Tyson rematch after the famous ear bite, but money flew out faster than it came in. Private jets cost him $2 million yearly. He kept 15 people on his payroll as his entourage. He owed $14 million to the tax office alone. By his late 40s, Holyfield kept fighting not for glory, but just to survive financially. Even in his 50s, he attempted comebacks driven purely by debt. He joined other athletes like Mike Tyson and Allen Iverson, who also burned through massive fortunes, proving that earning hundreds of millions means nothing if you spend even more.